What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be checking out a couple ESR cases with some really interesting kickstands, as well as a rear camera lens protector for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Now if you guys want to pick up any of these products you see here, I will be putting a link in the description, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those product links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. These cases are also military grade drop tested, so if you happen to drop your phone, you know that your phone is going to be protected. The clear case also has anti-yellowing properties as well, unlike some of the other cases out there that do yellow pretty quickly. So first we're going to start off with the camera lens protector, and then we're going to move on to the cases. So let's go ahead and get started. So we get one rear camera protector, an installation packet, and a little plastic tool to pry up the camera lenses if you need to. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean off your camera lenses really well as the area around the lenses. Then we'll dry it off. Make sure there's no dust or anything on the lenses themselves. Take your lens protector and just hold on to the side like this and peel off the back white piece. And then just simply place this whole thing right over your camera lenses and then just press it into place. Once you've done that, just very carefully pick up this whole plastic piece, and the camera lens protectors should still be on your phone. And that's what it looks like. It looks pretty much just like the camera lenses themselves, but now they're protected, and as you can see, it doesn't really add any extra height to your lenses either. Very nice, and they are made of tempered glass. All right, and then here we have ESR's Air Shield Boost case. So here is the case itself. As you can see, it's got a nice cutout for your cameras, and it's got a nice metal kickstand on the back here. It also has a hard plastic back for extra protection, and in each one of the corners is like this little airbag, so in case you happen to drop your phone and it hits one of those corners, your phone won't get damaged. Phone very easily goes into the case. It is nice and grippy, feels nice in the hand. As far as buttons goes, easily pressable, nice and clicky, very nice. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the phone. And it also has a slight raised edge all the way around the case front. You can see those airbags in the corners, which is nice. Got your lanyard hole. On the other side here, we have our power button and our volume buttons. On the bottom, we have our cutout for our charging port and speaker. On the back, again, it's got that nice metal kickstand that does get held in place really well. Your phone is not going to go anywhere. It's a very, very sturdy stand, and it clips in place very nice, so it's not just going to come out. And as you can see, those camera protectors fit perfectly inside this case. We still have a nice raised edge to protect those lenses, and it shows off the color of your phone really nice. As far as fingerprints goes, I don't really see any, so that's definitely a plus as well. Now for this kickstand, you can simply just pop it out and put your phone into landscape to watch some YouTube videos, or you can also stand your phone up in case you just want to look at your phone or maybe do like a Zoom call or something. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no problems there either. ESR does make some really nice cases, and this one is no exception. So if you want a nice clear case that shows off the color of your phone while giving you some really good protection and some added functionality with a kickstand, this is definitely a case I would recommend, and I would give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the ESR Classic Kickstand case. Wait till you see what they did with the kickstand for this one. So here is the case itself. It's got a really nice soft feel to it. It's got a nice frosted back that is rigid to protect your phone, and it doesn't pick up fingerprints. There it is on the phone. Feels nice in the hand. It's not slippery, but it's got a nice soft rubbery feel to it. Buttons are very clicky, easily accessible. Very nice. If we look at the side here, as you can see, it still has those airbags in the corners for your extra drop protection. It's got a nice raised edge around the front of the case itself. Got your little lanyard hole there. On the side, it's got your power button and your volume buttons. On the bottom, it's got the cutout for the charging port and the speaker. On the back, it's got that nice frosted backing to it. Doesn't pick up any fingerprints and feels really nice and smooth. Now, this is a kickstand case, and what they did that's amazing is they integrated the kickstand into the camera ring, so there's no extra added bulk to the case. Very awesome idea. I absolutely love these cases that use the kickstands that double for the camera protector, and to get it out, you just simply pull it out like this and it becomes your kickstand. So now you can use your phone in landscape mode, or if you want to stand it up totally upright, you can do that, or if you want to have it kind of angled up towards you, you can do that as well. So there's 3 different positions that you can have this in. It is very sturdy. As you can see, it doesn't just fold closed. It stays open wherever you put it, and it's nice and solid. It's not just a cheap piece of metal. It feels really nice, and then you can just simply push it back into place, and there you go. So it doubles as your camera protection and your kickstand. Awesome idea. Absolutely love it. Phone feels really nice in the hand, and if you're wondering about wireless charging, no problems there either. So again, this is probably by far one of my favorite ESR kickstand cases. I would definitely recommend it, and I would give it a thumbs up. So out of these 2 kickstand cases, which one do you guys prefer? Do you guys like the traditional kickstand, or do you like the kickstand that's integrated for the camera lens protector? Let me know in the comments below. So those are ESR's 2 kickstand cases, as well as their camera lens protectors, which I absolutely love. Again, I will be putting links in the description for these in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.